Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover the further values for the RTVSYSVAL command, and in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared three variables. So you can declare these variables by referring the IBM official website. There you will get to know about what should be the type of the variable, what should be the length of the variable. Okay, and once the variable declaration is done, then you are good to hit the command. So to hit the command, you can simply write RTVSYSVAL, then take F4, and then you will see this screen where we are supposed to pass two variable. First one is the sysval and second one is the return variable. So in sysval you can pass the value which you want to retrieve from the system. Okay, and in return variable you will pass that variable name which will hold the retrieved value. Now if you want to know more about this sysval field or sysval values, then you can press F1 here on this field and then do page down. So this is the help screen where we can find all the information regarding the value related to the values that we are retrieving from the system. Okay, so these are the values that we have already covered. So today we are going to cover the values, which is this. Yeah, QDEVNAMING, which means indicate the device naming convention. Changes made to the system value take effect when the next time a device is automatically configured. Existing configured device names are not changed. Okay, so the expected output is a star normal, which means it follows the IBM standards. Star 36 means follow S36 standard. Star dev ADR means device names are derived from the resource name. So this is how we will get the information regarding the device naming convention. Now another value is QDEVRCYACN, where it is mentioned specify the action taken when input output error occurs for the job requesting program device. Okay, changes made to this system value take effect for the jobs started after changes made. So first expected value is star DSC which disconnects the job. Okay. Second is star DEC and DRQS which disconnect the job. On reconnection, a cancel request function should be performed to return the control of the job back to the last request level. Okay, and here in first one it is mentioned star DSC disconnects the job. On reconnection, an error message will be sent to the user application program. Third one is star end job, which ends the job. A job a job log will be produced for the job. A message will be sent to the job log and the QHST log indicating that the job was ended because of the device error. Now the third one is star end job no list, which ends the job. A job log will not be produced for the job. A message will be sent to the QHST log indicating that the job was ended because of the device error. Last expected value for this field is star MSG signal signals the input output message to the application program. The application program performs a error recovery itself. Now the third value that we are going to discuss is QDSCJOBITV, which means time interval that a job can disconnect before it is ended. So the expected values are these two, 5 through 1440 is the timeout interval in minutes, and star none means no timeout interval. Okay, so these are the value that we can retrieve from the RTVSYSVAL command. So simply just copy that value name and paste it here along with the variable which will hold the output. So once this line got executed, it will fetch out the detail in the past variable, and likewise I am doing for the other two values also. Now we got the values. Now it's time to print the value. So for printing the value, we are using the snd-pgm-msg command. So just write snd-pgm-msg, then press F4. So once you press F4, it will take you to this screen where you can pass the variable directly, because we are using the character variable and we can pass it directly to the snd-pgm-msg command. If it was let's say if it was a numeric variable, in that case we need to do the type conversion, but right now all the variables are already in character, so there's no need of type conversion. So just save it, and after saving it we can compile it and see the output. So I'm compiling it and calling it. So first value we got is star normal, second one is star end job, and third one is all 0120. Okay, so this is how you can utilize the RTVSYSVAL command. I hope it is clear to all of you, and that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Myth.